UltraFlex is ahead of the curve. Designed with ultimate flexibility in mind, our latest lighting system is meant to easily fit into any project or space. Whether you need UltraFlex to be linear and elegant, or loose and fun, this LED lighting strip bends and doesn't break, even under the toughest conditions. Pre-manufactured with a compact silicone design and hermetic seal, this UV-resistant and saltwater wet-rated light is just at home by the patio as it is in the pool. Our latest lighting system keeps its cool and maintains flexibility in temperatures down to -40 degrees Celsius. UltraFlex can go anywhere you need, stunning dot-free lighting. Designed to go the distance, UltraFlex long distance goes up to 115 feet on a single direct connection. With multiple LED options ranging from monocolor to RGBW, with its 16.7 million colors, and the flexibility to create almost any shape, UltraFlex can adapt to either stand out or blend in. UltraFlex. Stay ahead of the curve.